Kill boy, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Sagad nyo boy, sagad nyo, gitnaan nyo pre, gitnaan nyo. Kaya pa boy, gitnaan nyo pa. Meron pa boy, tulak pre, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Sagad pa boy, sagad pa. Putang ina nyo, ready one up boy. Tulak boy, ready to up. Meron pa pre, eto pa pre, senti pa. Boy, tulak boy, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Sagad boy, ready to up. Sagad boy, ready to up. Ito boy, ready for up. Sagad nyo pa, laban nyo pa. Laban pa dyan pre, meron pa pre, classmate pa. Yan pa boy, laban nyo pa. At meron pa doon sa may ano, bakal na kayo boy, bakal na po. Bakal sa iba boy, push, ready one up boy. Tulak pre, putang ina mo, nag-11, ready to up boy. Tulak pre, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Harap palikod. Angat muna, 3, 2, 1, angat boy, ready one up boy. Tulak pre, classmate, push, ready one up boy. Tulak boy, nice IC yun na, ready to up. Ubus boy, ready for up. Ready boy, meron pa pre, boy. Tulak boy, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Sagad boy, ready for up. Meron palikod.
Nalo pa kami dito, bro.
Gay, laban nyo lang.
Patay pa.
Okay, boy, pa ipapagduhod ka. Kalaban.
Okay, lalo tayo pa.
Bago po sa amin.
Ito pa, pre, kaliwa ka ng kalaban, pre. Boy, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Harap likod pagkatapos. Harap likod. IC boy, push. Ready one up boy. Tulak pre, ready to up. Angat pa dito. Abante boy, ready to up. Sagad boy, ready for up. Meron pa. Meron pa ba ito pa pre, classmate pa pre. Tulak pre, ready to up. Abante boy, ready to up. Meron pa isa pa pre, ready to up. Sagad pa boy, ready to up. Sagad nyo, palikod nyo, to up. Sagad boy, ready to up. Hawak IC boy, ready for up. Sagad nyo na, ready 5 up. Meron pa pre. Harap palikod. To up. Umatras ko yung ready to up. Sagad boy, parang likod pagkatapos. Nasa tubo sa kalaban pre. Tubo naman. Tubo pa. Laban nyo pa tubo boy. Laban nyo pa pre. Kanan po mabigat. Kanan pa. Kanan pa po. Hawakan. Tulak pre, ready to up. Abante boy, harap likod. Hanap boy. Tulak pa Evan boy, ready to up. Si Abante boy IC. Nice pre, meron pa. Tulak pa pre. Likod nyo pa. Sige pa pre, pasuyo pa ako dyan boy. Tulak pre, ready to up. Atin na to, IC push, ready. Harap pa kaliwa. Sagad boy, ready to up. Harap likod. IC lang. Ready one up boy. Tulak boy, ready to up. Abante pa kaliwa pa.
Ina talaga.
Kaliwa pa boy, kaliwa pa. Okay lang yun pre. Bangan.